All right, 2015 Honda Civic. All right, guys. So the problem with this vehicle is, okay, is it will takes a few times to push this engine start button to start the engine. Okay, so okay, let's try that. Here's the first one. All right, you don't want to start, but you hear a click from underneath the hood. First one, and then second time, still don't want to start. Okay, but you hear a click underneath the hood, and there's the third push, and then I'd start. Okay, so today we will be replacing the starter on this vehicle. Alrighty. There you go, guys. We got our new starter that we are installing for this Honda Civic. Alright. Okay, so before we start, we're gonna have to jack up the car and disconnect the battery terminal on this vehicle. Alright, so we're just gonna go ahead and disconnect the negative terminal, and that should be okay. Then we can start working on the removing the starter on this one. Alright, here's the negative terminal disconnected. Alright, I'm just gonna put it aside right there for now. Alright, and then we'll go ahead and jack up the car. There you go, guys. We got our jack stand, and we're gonna go ahead and remove this passenger side tire right here. Alright, guys, so there is our starter. So what I just did is I just disconnect the electrical harness, removing the electrical harness attached to the starter. Alright, and then now I'm ready to start removing the starter now that all the electrical harness that were attached to the starter is now being detached. Okay, there you go, detach. Alright, okay. Alright, on the top bolts I have to use extensions right here with the size 14 socket to get into the top bolt. Okay, so I think I got them loose now. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm just doing it with my hands now. Right there. So I don't know if you can see that. Alright, right there, but anyway, I got it loose. I'm just gonna go ahead and turn it by hand. Okay. Alright, get the bolts out right here. There you go. Alright, now we're ready to pull the starter out. Alright, get the starter disconnected. You just need to bring it down. Alright, just gonna disconnect the wirings first. Right there. Okay. Alright. Get the light. There you go. There is the starter. I'm going to disconnect the wiring and then we'll bring it down. Okay. Alright, so what I'm doing is I'm gonna have the starter rest right there while I'm disconnecting the electrical harness. Okay. Got them disconnected right there. Now we can bring the starter down. Alright, as you can see, I had to get the starter through this little hole right here. Okay. Alright, there is the old starter and there's the new starter. Okay, so as you can see, everything looks alike. So we're just gonna go ahead and install the new one. Alrighty. Alright, here you go, guys. It's all put together. And thank you for watching my video.